Alright, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will be solving problems of percentages. As you can see, we are having three questions here, which has to do with finding percentage of percentage. And so, without further ado, let's dive into solving the problem. Okay. This is Math FBI, Math for Beginners International. All right, starting with question number one. This question may look complicated or complex, but it is not. You just follow me as we solve this together, all right? So the first question says we should look for 2% of 7% of 5,000. All right, so the first thing to do, let's solve for 7% of 5,000 first. Okay, so 7% is represented here by 7 over 100. Okay, of is replaced by multiplication symbol multiplied by 5,000 over 1. Okay, so this cancels this cancels this. So when you multiply 7 by 5, you got 35. 7 times 0, you got 0. So 7 times 30, 7 times 50 in essence is 350. Okay, so this 350 represents 7% of 5,000. So now let's go to get 2% of 350. 2% of this. Okay, so 2% of 350, 2%, as you can see, it's represented here as 2 over 100. 2% means 2 per 100, 2 over 100 times 350 over 1. Okay, so 0 cancels 0. All right, and so we are left with 35. 2 multiplied by 35 result in 70. Okay, and then 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. Okay, so we've got 70 over 10. 0 cancels 0, 0. So now we are left with 7 over 1. 7 divided by 1 is 7. So that is it for question number 1. Okay. So let's go to solve question number 2. 7% of 1% of 250,000. All right. So like we did in the first question, we solve for 1%. Let's get this done first. 1%. 1% is here. 1 over 100. Okay, that's 1% multiplied by 250. Okay. All right. So this cancels this. This cancels this. And so we are left with 2,500 over 1. So we go to solve 7% of 2,500. All right. So this cancels this. This cancels this. And so we're left with 7 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 175. Okay. All right, let's go to the third question. Question number 3. Please, I'd like you to like this video and subscribe to this channel to so you may get notified anytime we provide valuable videos as this. And subscribing to our channel is an encouragement for us to do more. Okay, so let's solve question number 3. Let's find the 9% of 173,200 first, like we did in the previous question. So 9% is 9 over 100 of this. Okay, so this cancels this cancels this. All right, so we're left with 9 multiplied by 1732, and the answer is 15588 over 1. So we'll go ahead again to find 2.5% of 15588. All right. Okay, so there are some technicalities here. 2.5. So let's find 2.5 first. What is 2.5? Let's isolate 2.5 and the percentage. So let's leave the percentage as it is. So let's get 2.5. 2.5 is 205 over 10. 205 over 10. That is 2.5. So at the end of it all, whatever it is that we get as our outcome will be divided by 100. Percent means over 100, okay? So that is exactly what we're doing here. That's why we brought in this 100. This over 100 is same as this. Okay? So this percentage is what we represent here as divided by 100. All right. Okay, so 25 over 10. You know, if you are acquainted with decimals, so you may check my video on decimals to know why 2.5 is equal to 25 over 10. All right. So multiply 2.5, which is this, of 15588. That's what we did here. Okay, so 205 multiplied by 1588 results in this. Okay, over 10, right? So this cancels, these two zeros cancels this. Okay, so we are left with 3897 here. You see it here. Okay, so we are left with 3897 over 10. This 10 is what we have here. Okay, and the answer is 3897 divided by 10 is equal to 3897.7. Please check my video on decimals to know why this 3897 divided by 10. 3897 divided by 10. That's 3897 tenths. Okay, how many zeros? Okay, let me go over that. How many zeros do you have in this denominator? You've got only one zero. Okay, so repeat this numerator here as we did here, like you say 3, 8, 9, 7. Okay, you have only one zero in the denominator here. Okay, so it means you got to count one time to your left to place your decimal point, and that's why we're having it 389.7. Very simple and easy with the right turtleneck. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.